channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American consonant sound J, as in the word job. You can also hear these sounds in words like Jim, judge, Joan, or soldier. We'll be using special phonetic symbols J for this sound. You might recognize these two symbols, especially if you watch our previous videos. That's right, the J actually consists of two consonants. The stop sound D and the fricative sound Z. We've talked about these sounds in our Science American channel. There's a reason why. Here it goes. This video is about how the two single sounds D and G merge into an entirely different consonant sound J. The J is one of two consonant sounds in American English. They're called affricates. So, what is an affricate sound? The affricates are made by first stopping the airstream and then releasing it through a narrow passage in your mouth with an audible friction. At this point, we usually explain why this sound is important for your American accent. Know what? Let's skip this part and have some fun instead. Take a look at this sentence and try to pronounce it loud. Major John Bridges and Sergeant Jim Rogers gently change the engine in their huge jeep. Was it hard? Gently change the engine in their huge. Yes, it was. Who comes up with the stuff anyway? We'll get back to this awesome tongue twister again at the end of this video. And now let's find out how to make the J consonant. Okay, as we mentioned a minute ago, to make the J sound, you need to merge the stop D with the fricative J into one sound. First, slightly open your mouth and push out your lips. Now, focus on your tongue. Place the tip of your tongue on the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth, just as you do to make the D sound. This way you stop the air. Now, to release the air, arch your tongue so it's near the roof, the same way as you do when you make the G sound. Make sure that you don't touch the roof of your mouth, and there's a small gap for the airstream. When you release the air through this gap, it'll flow with lots of noise. J. The J is a voice sound, so don't forget to add your voice. Does that sound like a lot? Don't worry, let's watch it again in slow motion. Remember that J is an affricate sound, so it's important to completely stop the air in your mouth and then immediately release it with friction. Now let's try and merge the D and the G sound together. J, J, J. Here are a few typical mistakes that people make when pronouncing this sound. Number 1. The most common problem is that non-native English speakers devoice the J consonant, especially when it occurs at the end of words. Often, people don't realize that they pronounce the voiceless ch sounds instead. Compare lunch, lunge, edge, edge, Remember, it may be okay in other languages, but American voice consonants are never the voice at the end of words. By the way, don't forget to lengthen the vowel before the j sound. The j is a voice consonant, so vowel sound before the j are typically longer than before the voice's counterpart, the consonant sound sh. Compare budge, budge, rich, rage. This is called the vowel length rule, and we talk about it in detail in one of our videos. As usual, you can find the link in the description box below. Number 2. Another common problem is that many non-native English speakers confuse the j and the j sounds. This happens when people don't stop the air before making the j sound. Be careful, as this may make your foreign accent stand out. Compare juice, juice, age, age. Remember, the j consists of the d stop sounds and the j fricatives. You have to first stop the air and then release it with a strong friction.